The Auditor General has unveiled massive looting at the Air Zimbabwe, this time with $5 million missing from the national airline's balance sheet. Ashperi mushamure Zimbabwe vakomana veaccounts vodraw balance sheet ndibva yaita a shortfall ye$5 million. Sabina mashoko abuda chinyogwa ndibva subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Chipina mnamonyi mchinzi. The acting Auditor General Ri Kujinga, in the Auditor General's report for the financial year ended 31 December 2023, note several key issues including discrepancies in opening balances, inventory valuation, and ongoing concern uncertainties at the national airline. According to the report, in 2020, the Auditor General found that opening balances did not agree with the prior year's financial statements, with variances amounting to 4.89 million, said Kujinga. As at the beginning of the year ended 31 December 2020, airline Zimbabwe's opening balances were not agreeing to the prior year financial statement balances. Domashoko anoyachiwanikwa panapa aiwa na Auditor General achiti aiwa pakupera kwegoriso zvamunoziva kuti every institution accounting records ayo anofana kunge achiagree achiratidza kuti aiwa zvinhu zvese zvakanyasa kuitwa in accordance to financial principles. Panapa pari kuonekwa kuti at the year ended 31 December 2020 kunoonekwa kuti pakaita shortfall ye 4.89 million. Imari yakawandisa zikatomboiti inotarisirwa kunzi pane company kana kuti an institution yakaita se-airline pangashota 4 tikangoti 5 million. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro this shortfall. Pinai comment section medu mutudze mafunguro enyu panhau aiwa yecorruption munyika yeZimbabwe. Musanga no subscribe kulike chitina on the bell icon.